This is the £10 bonus once you sign in after the registration. I answered a profiling question right on this particular survey platform and I was given £12 instantly as a reward. Now when you check right here, you can see free £10 welcome bonus. That is, if you go ahead to register an account on this particular survey platform, you will be given £10 as a welcome bonus. Now this particular survey platform is called Better Cashback. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about this particular survey platform. As you can see right here, Cashback. Okay, the name of this survey platform is called Better Cashback. So right here you can see get paid to do quick online tasks, earn cashback today, completing tax surveys and more. So I'm going to be walking you through and also making reviews of what you need to know about this platform. So right here, when you come right here, you can see how it works. Join for free, complete tasks, get paid, and join now for free. Now how it works right here is that you are going to start completing so many tasks to earn some commission for yourself. So you can go through all this and see the reviews right on this platform. So right here, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can get your account registered. As you can see right here, once you register right now, you're going to be given £10 as a welcome bonus. As we proceed, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to earn for ourselves. Okay, so if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. So if at the end of this video you actually want to get a continued information about surveys, you can reach out to us with the link showing on the pinned comment section to join this wonderful family. You can actually find the Telegram channel link and also the WhatsApp group to join my community. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive into today's tutorial. Now you can see right here we are asked to join now for free. Now when you go ahead joining now for free, you are going to be given £10 as a welcome bonus. Now the next thing you want to do right now is to click on join now for free, or you can better still come down right here. You're going to be seeing send sign in link. Okay, so right here what you're going to be doing is to ignore this first part. Okay, the method I use signing in, which I prefer, is this one right here. So once you come right here, you are going to be putting in your first name right here. Let's say our name is Bobby and our last name is actually Brown. Okay, so we are going to come right here and input that email address you want to use for this particular survey. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to select if you are a male, a female, or transgender. So right now I'm going to click on male. Now once you click on this, what you're going to be doing is to click on send sign in link. Okay, you need to be sent a sign in link for you to continue your registration. Now this email you have actually inserted here, make sure that email has been connected so you can actually get the information and the link that will be sent to you. So right now we are going to come down right here and click on send sign in link. Okay, so once this is being clicked, you are going to get an email message from Cashback. As you can see, click our email to complete your registration. This is the £10 bonus once you sign in after the registration. Okay, so you can see right here, to confirm you are real, we have emailed a magic link to this particular email. So you can see right here that this email sent to you has been timed, so you need to quickly use that link to continue your registration. So right now we are going over to our email to continue the registration of our account. So right now this is the email we got from Cashback. So you just have to come right here now, but before you go ahead clicking the link or the email sent to you by Better Cashback, make sure you have made your browser your default browser. Okay, you need to make your browser your default browser before going ahead to click that link. So once you get this mail from Better Cashback, make sure before clicking create my account, you already made your browser the default browser. Make sure you make it your default browser before coming right here to click on create my account. So right now we are going ahead to click on create my account because I already made my default browser what I'm using for the registration. Okay, so once you click on that, you just need to hold on. You'll be redirected to the interface where you need to proceed in creating your account. So right now you'll be redirected to this browser where you can actually see the welcome to cashback Bobby. So what you're going to do next is to click on start earning. So once you click on start earning, it's going to display an interface to you. As you can see right here, welcome to cashback. Answer 3 quick questions and get a free 2.50 pounds bonus. It takes less than a minute. So what you're going to be doing is to come down right here and click on get 2.50 pounds. Okay, so once you click on that, you're going to be redirected to this interface. You can actually see that these are simple questions which you can start now and get your 2.50 pounds instantly. The first question says, when you cash out, how do you think you will spend it? Now this is what you're going to be picking. You're going to be coming right here. You're seeing bills, we have food, we have paying off debts, holiday, shopping, and the likes of it. So just come down right and click on paying off debts. So click on continue. Now the question says, which age group are you in? Okay, so make sure you're selecting according to your demographic, but I would advise you go within the range of 25 to 34. So right now you can see subscribe to our newsletter to help you earn more and cash out faster. Would you also like us to email you about cash back? You can say not now or you can say yes please. So I'm going to say yes please. So the third question says, which categories would you like us to email you more about? So you can see food, kids, pets, competition, surveys, and the likes of it. So come right here and select survey, then click on continue. So once you're done clicking on continue, you are going to be given your welcome bonus. So right here you can see, well done, you smashed it, you are ready to start completing tasks and levels. So once you go ahead setting up an account for yourself, be rest assured that you're getting instant 12.50 pounds as a cashback. So right now just go ahead to click on start level. So you're going to be starting this level 1. You can actually see right here, simply complete one or more tasks from each level. Now I will advise, if you have anyone in the United States that you can actually use their address on these surveys, bet me you are going to be making a lot of rewards for yourself. So the reason why I'm saying this is because this platform looks exactly as some shopping platforms which you know, just like Temu. Most times they will want you to shop right on this platform and you're not going to be paying for it. They will actually ship this to a particular address in the United Kingdom and you're also going to be getting reward for that, meaning you're only selecting an item right here and you're not going to be paying for the item, and you're still going to be paid for taking that offer. So right here you can see there are so many tasks right here which you can go for. Now it says simply complete one or more tasks from each level. Now this first one says get started, get your first pair of men's or body blah blah blah. So once you go ahead to get this particular item will be emailed to a particular address. Now that address, once they confirm that that address is actually a verified address and they have sent this item to that address which you claim you have, that is when you can be paid this 4.50 pounds. That is why I actually say, if you have anyone who stays in the United Kingdom, you can actually use their address and earn more from this platform. So right now, before I go ahead taking this and showing you how it works, let me quickly come right here and show you. When you come right to this hamburger icon right here, you can see we have tags, play to earn, refer to earn, VIP club, help desk, my cashback, and activities. So now before I show you the cash out method, I'm going to come right here and let's see, we take this particular one. Once you click on get 4.50 pounds right here, it's going to bring out some box for you to proceed. Now this is what they actually want. This is the tax and this is how they want you to go about it. Get your first pair of men or boys boxers for free. Okay, you're not paying, but you'll be paid the pounds for the tax. Now Hunter Tax launches cool new design every month. Your first pair is 100% free, including delivery. Get your first pair of high quality unique boxers free, available both men's and boys size, as well as in plain or patterned. Now each month Hunter Tax drops fresh unique designs created by their in-house team. Now this is what you're going to be doing. Try them today and see why everyone's talking about Hunter Tax and why over 550,000 members rate them 9.2 out of 10. So what do I need to do? Pick your first pair of boxers, enter your details to receive them for free. This is what you're going to be doing right here. You're going to click on get 4.50 pounds right here. But before that, come right here and read the terms of condition. This tax is only available to new untaxed members. You must order and receive your free pair of boxers for this tax to be approved. Okay, members can cancel after their first pair boxers is received. After your trial, you will be charged 11.99 pounds. That's why I said if you have anyone right in the United Kingdom, take their address. You're not paying for this. Click on get 4.50 pounds. Let's say we want to get this right here. Once you click on it, it's going to redirect you. So once you click on that, what you're going to be doing next is to see this next interface. You can come right here and you're going to be seeing that the boxer shorts right here is actually zero. The shipping also is £0. You're not paying. Other total is free. So you can see that right here. When you come right here, you're going to be seeing that this is actually totally free. You're not paying for it, just like what I said. Perfect fit and top quality material. Sign up for your first free pair of boxer shorts. Choose your boxer shorts subscription for just okay. So right here, you're coming right here to pick the size. Let's say we are picking medium right here, and is a boy. Okay, let's say we're picking boy right here. So let's pick men and let's pick medium. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do, you'll be brought to this interface. You can come right here and select the color you want. Okay, so you can select any one you want right here. Once you've selected that, your address, your details for free boxer shorts will be needed. Now this is where it comes in place. You are going to put in an email address. It can be your own, it can be the address of the person's own you want to use. Put in your password, then add your shipping address right here. This is where you're going to be putting your real name, your last name. You can see right here United Kingdom, then find your shipping address, then put that right here. So it is only advisable for those that has people living in the United Kingdom. Now if you have someone there, this is what you're going to be doing. Tell that person that particular item will be coming to his doorstep or her doorstep, so they should be aware. So once you go ahead putting all these details of that person, you're just going to come right here and click on try for free. Okay, just come right here and select paper. Don't do any other thing. Come right here and pick paper right here and confirm. So once you pick paper, just confirm this. Okay, just come right here and confirm right here. So once you make this, you're not going to be paying anything. As you can see right here, that it's already showing that you're not paying any dime. You can see boxer short is 0.0 pounds. Ship to your mail is 0.0 pounds. So normally you're supposed to pay, but you're getting this for free. So once you're done shipping this, you are going to be sending the information right there, and once this is received, what you're going to be getting is the actual pounds that was assigned for that tax. Okay, now the reason why they are doing this is to test their platform, just like the way you have it on Temu and AliExpress and the likes of other platforms that has products on it. So the reason why they are doing this is to get the quality and response of individuals. So once you get that product, you will be confirmed right here, and they confirmed it, you're going to be given the reward for this tax. Now when you come right here, you can see when will I receive my free boxers. You can come right here and read frequently asked questions and get response to it. After your registration, your free boxer shorts will be in your mailbox within 7 working days. Now why do I get the first boxers short for free? Listen, you get the first boxer short from us. Why? We want to show you and let you feel that you are making the best choice. That's how convinced we are of our product. Now when will my monthly design be delivered? Okay, when you come right here, you're going to be seeing that you can actually see that they said you always receive your monthly delivery between 17th and 23rd of the month. We deliver your new boxers short to your home for free. Do you have a notice period? So you can come right here and see these answers to this. After receiving your boxer short, you can cancel your subscription immediately within the first 14 days. After your first 14 days, we apply a month notice period. If you cancel before the 26th of the month, there will be one payment and one delivery. So this is how this platform works. You can come right here and follow the process I just showed you to perform this tax. So that is how the platform works. You can go ahead to perform tax 2, tax 3. There are so many tax right on this platform, so you can be doing that and be getting rewards for yourself. But my advice for you is to make sure you have someone, or you are already in UK, you can use your address to receive these items. Then you come right here and claim your rewards. So right here you can see cash out faster, continue to tax on level 2, maximum earnings. So you can come right here, either you go back to continue more tasks on level 1 or you go over to task 2. So let's come right here. You are going to be seeing that there are so many tasks you can actually go on to do right here. So once you start with this platform, you're going to be seeing the more advantage you're going to be getting. It is user friendly and it's more understandable. Anyone can have access to it. Once you set up an account for yourself, following the process I showed you, you're going to be getting rewards for yourself. But make sure you already have your addresses and your email and your details I just showed you intact. So once it reaches to that part of you inserting those details, you will not have issues of that. So you can quickly go through it and get your item and also get your rewards right on this platform. Right here, before I forget, if you actually want to place a withdrawal, you can come right here and you're going to be seeing cash out right here. So once you click on the cash out, you're going to be brought into this interface. Now before you can cash out any earnings, you can see requesting to cash out your earnings is quick and simple. Just follow these easy steps. So you can see you have not finished all 10 levels, so you need to complete 10 levels for you to continue your cash out right here. You can see that the cash out method is actually through bank transfer or PayPal. Okay, so that is the means of withdrawing your earnings on this platform. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any questions regarding everything I said in this video, please feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to them. However, it is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give you giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to leverage online in today's world. You can find the links on the pinned comment section of this video. So that is all you can actually know about better cashback to start leveraging it online. So see you on my next video and keep winning.